Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add money to PayPal from credit card. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, there are three things that you need: a PayPal account, a credit card, and an extra email address. So not the main one that you're using on PayPal, but another email that you can use. If you have all those, just go to your PayPal app and log into your PayPal account. Then the next thing that you need to do is to tap on Request. Well, as you can see, we cannot screen record on this part because it contains personal information about our account, but basically what you can see here is a search bar where we have to type an email address. So this is where we're gonna use our extra email. So type in your email to the search bar. Once you have typed it in, you will see something like this: request from, and then the email address you entered. Just tap on that. Then you will have to enter the amount that you want to add to PayPal. And just click on Next. And once you click on Next, this will appear. So you just have to tap on Request Now. After that, go to your mail inbox where you sent the request. So you're gonna receive a message like this. Just open it. Then tap on Pay Now. Then you will be directed to this page. Just tap on Pay without a PayPal account. Then choose the country where you are from. So I just chose Philippines here. After that, as you can see, you can now use your credit card to send money to your PayPal account. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.